Hi there. Welcome to part 7 of Real English for A2 learners. I'm Nina, and today we'll practice real conversations for dining out, visiting cafes, and sharing meals with friends. You'll hear natural dialogues for making reservations, ordering food, asking about ingredients, handling allergies, paying the bill, and enjoying meals in social settings. All spoken slowly and clearly with a natural American accent. These phrases will help you feel confident whether you're eating alone, with friends, or traveling in an English-speaking country. Listen, repeat, and learn with me, one real situation at a time. Let's begin. Making reservations and asking about the restaurant. Do you take reservations for dinner tonight? Or is it first come, first served? We do take reservations. Would you like a table for 2 at 7 p.m.? Is there a dress code for your restaurant? I want to make sure I'm dressed appropriately. It's casual. No need for suits or formal wear, but please no beachwear or flip-flops. Do you have outdoor seating? It's such a nice evening. I'd love to sit outside. Yes. Our patio is open and has heaters if it gets chilly. Would you like to be seated there? Is your restaurant wheelchair accessible? Yes, we have a ramp at the entrance and wide aisles between tables. Do you offer vegetarian options? Or is your menu mostly meat-based? About half our menu is vegetarian or vegan. We even have a separate plant-based section. Can I bring my dog to the outdoor area? Only service animals are allowed inside, but well-behaved dogs are welcome on the patio. What time do you stop serving dinner? Kitchen closes at 9:30 p.m., but you can stay and enjoy drinks after that. Do you have high chairs for toddlers? Yes, we have 2 high chairs and a kids menu with smaller portions. Is there parking nearby, or should I take public transport? There's a public lot 2 blocks away, and the subway stops right in front of us. Can I request a quiet table? I'm meeting someone for an important conversation. Of course. I'll seat you in the back corner. It's the quietest part of the restaurant. Ordering food and drinks. Do you have a menu in English, or is everything already in English? Everything's in English, but I can explain any dish if you're unsure. Is the soup of the day vegetarian? Yes, today it's creamy tomato basil, no meat or chicken stock. I'm allergic to nuts. Can you confirm if this pasta contains any? Let me check with the kitchen. No, it's completely nut-free, and we use separate utensils. What do you recommend for someone who likes mild flavors, not too spicy? The grilled salmon with lemon butter is very mild and popular with first-time guests. Can I get the dressing on the side for my salad? Absolutely. We always serve dressings on the side unless you ask otherwise. Do you have any gluten-free options? Yes, we have gluten-free pasta, bread, and even dessert. Just let your server know. Is the chicken free-range or organic? Our chicken is locally sourced and antibiotic-free. We work with farms within 50 miles. Can I substitute fries for a side salad? Yes, for $2 more. Or it's free if you're ordering a healthy entree. Do you serve alcohol, or is it a family-friendly cafe? We have beer, wine, and cocktails, but we're also very welcoming to families. I'd like to try something new. What's your most unique dish? Our mushroom risotto with truffle oil is house-made and not like anything else in town. In the cafe, can I get a coffee to go, or do I need to order inside first? You can order at the counter and say to go. We'll put it in a travel cup with a lid. Do you have oat milk? I can't drink dairy. Yes, we offer oat, almond, and soy. all at no extra charge. Is this seat taken? I'd like to sit here while I wait for my friend. No, it's free, but we do ask that you order something if you're staying more than 15 minutes. Do you have Wi-Fi? I need to check my email while I'm here. Yes, the password is on your receipt. It's free for all customers. Can I get a refill on my coffee? Sure. Refills are free as long as you're still at your table. Is the pastry case gluten-free? I saw some beautiful cakes. Most are not, but we have 2 gluten-free muffins labeled with a green tag. Do you serve food all day, or just during lunch hours? We serve breakfast and lunch items until 3 p.m., then switch to lighter snacks. Can I heat up my own food here? I brought leftovers from home. Sorry, we don't allow outside food or use of our microwaves, but our soup is fresh. Is there an outlet I can use to charge my laptop? Yes, there are 2 near the window. Just be mindful of others who might need them. Do you have a loyalty card? I come here almost every day. Yes. Buy 9 drinks, get the 10th free. Just ask for a punch card at the register. Dietary needs and allergies. I'm vegetarian, but I eat eggs and dairy. Do you have something I can eat? Yes, our veggie omelet and grilled cheese sandwich are perfect for you. Is this dish spicy? I don't handle heat very well. It has a little chili for flavor, but it's not hot. I'd rate it 2 out of 10 on the spice scale. Do you use peanut oil in your kitchen? My son has a severe allergy. No, we use canola oil only, and we have a separate fryer for allergen-free items. Can I see the ingredients list for the soup? I'm avoiding soy. I'll get the chef's card for you. It lists all major allergens and ingredients. Is the bread made in-house or bought from a bakery? It's baked fresh every morning in our kitchen. No preservatives or additives. Do you have sugar-free dessert options? Yes, we have a dark chocolate avocado mousse sweetened with stevia. Can I ask the chef to leave out the garlic? I have a sensitivity. Of course. Just mention it when you order. We're happy to customize. Is the fish wild-caught or farm-raised? It's wild-caught Alaskan salmon, sustainable and in season right now. Do you offer smaller portions for kids or light eaters? Yes, any entree can be ordered as a half portion for 60% of the price. I'm trying to eat low-carb. What would you suggest? The grilled chicken salad with no croutons and oil-based dressing is a great choice. Social eating with friends. Do you want to split an appetizer before our main courses? Sure. The spinach dip is huge, perfect for sharing. I'm not drinking alcohol tonight. Do you have any mocktails? Yes, our berry sparkler is made with fresh fruit and soda. No alcohol at all. Should we order family style so we can try a bit of everything? Great idea. I'll ask the server to bring extra plates for sharing. Do you mind if I take a photo of the food? It looks amazing. Go ahead. The lighting is best near the window if you want a good shot. I'm still full from lunch. Maybe I'll just have a salad or soup. No problem. You don't have to order a big meal to sit with us. Can we get the check together, or should we pay separately? We can do either. Just let the server know how you'd like to split it. Do you want dessert? They have that chocolate cake you love. I shouldn't. But okay, just a small slice to share. Is it okay if my friend joins us? They're running 5 minutes late. Of course. We'll save a seat. Just wave when they arrive. I brought my own container. Can I take leftovers home? Yes, we encourage it. I'll pack everything neatly for you. Do you want to grab coffee after this? There's a great place down the street. I'd love to, but let's walk slowly. I'm so full I can barely move. Paying the bill and tipping. Can I get the check, please? We're in a bit of a hurry. Of course. I'll bring it right away. Would you like it together or separate? Is tip included in the total, or should I add it myself? It's not included. A standard tip is 15% to 20%, but it's up to you. Do you accept Apple Pay or just credit cards? We accept all mobile payments, credit cards, and cash. Whatever's easiest for you. Can I pay for my friend's meal too? We're splitting it evenly. Sure. Just tell me how much you'd like to charge to your card. Do you give paper receipts, or is it all digital? We can do either. Just say paper or email when you pay. Is there a service charge for large groups? Yes, for 6 or more people. An 18% service fee is added automatically. Can I see the itemized bill? I want to make sure everything's correct. Absolutely. Here's a detailed breakdown of each item and tax. Do you offer discounts for students or seniors? Yes, 10% off with valid ID. Just mention it before you pay. Can I leave the tip in cash even if I pay by card? Yes, just put it on the table. We'll add it to your total for the server. Should I tip on the pre-tax or post-tax amount? Most people tip on the pre-tax total, but either way is appreciated. Special occasions and dining experiences. Do you do anything special for birthdays? Yes. If you mention it when you book, we'll bring a dessert with a candle and sing, quietly. Can I bring my own cake for my daughter's birthday? We allow outside cakes for a $10 plating fee. We'll provide plates, forks, and candles. Is this restaurant good for a first date? Very. It's cozy but not too quiet, and the lighting is flattering. Plus, the food is great. Do you have private rooms for small gatherings? Yes, our wine room seats up to 12 people. There's no rental fee if you meet the minimum spend. Can I request a specific server? I had such a great experience last time. We'll do our best. Just give us their name when you arrive. Is there live music on weekends? Yes, acoustic guitar from 7 to 9 p.m. on Fridays and Saturdays. Not too loud, just background. Do you offer tasting menus for couples? Yes, our chef's tasting menu is $65 per person and includes wine pairings. Can y proposer? I'd like to make it special. We'd be honored. Let us know in advance. We can arrange flowers, a special table, and even champagne. Is the restaurant romantic in the evening? Very. Candlelight, soft music, and booths that feel private. Perfect for anniversaries. Do you accommodate dietary restrictions for large events? Yes, we work with you to create a custom menu that fits all your guests' needs. Handling problems and complaints politely. My food is cold. Could you please warm it up? Of course. I'm so sorry. I'll take it back to the kitchen right away. I think there's a hair in my soup. What should I do? I'm really sorry about that. I'll bring you a fresh bowl immediately and remove it from your bill. My order hasn't come out yet, and I've been waiting 30 minutes. I apologize. Let me check with the kitchen and see what's happening with your meal. This isn't what I ordered. I asked for no onions. I'm so sorry. I'll get the kitchen to remake it correctly right now. The table next to us is very loud. Is there another seat available? Yes, we have a quieter booth in the back. I'll move you right away. My drink spilled. Can I get a new one? Absolutely. And I'll bring some napkins to clean up. No charge for the replacement. The steak is overcooked. I asked for medium rare. I'm sorry about that. Would you like us to cook a new one? Or would you prefer a different dish? I was charged twice for the same item. Can you check the bill? Yes, let me look. You're right. I'll refund the duplicate charge right now. The restroom is out of soap and paper towels. Thank you for letting me know. I'll send someone to restock it immediately. I didn't enjoy my meal. It wasn't what I expected. I'm really sorry to hear that. Would you be open to trying something else on the house? Wonderful work. You just practiced 80 real English phrases for dining out, cafés, and social eating. Whether you're ordering coffee in Berlin, celebrating a birthday in Toronto, asking about allergies in Sydney, or splitting the bill in Stockholm, these conversations will help you enjoy food and company with confidence. If you found this helpful, subscribe for Part 8. We'll explore city life, public services, and community interactions in English. And don't forget to watch Parts 1 through 6 if you haven't yet.